Good evening, how y'all doing this evening? I'm gonna be real quick. I'm not gonna take up too much of y'all time. I just feel like it's something that y'all might know, y'all might need to know. If you got somebody in your life that probably doesn't need to be in your life, but you just need a single opportunity. A single opportunity, that last minute, that last moment, that last Keith Sweat type bag. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I see y'all faces. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right. It's real easy. Real easy, like. Now I know y'all might think y'all know what this is, right? But I don't think you understand. See, y'all never been in love like I've been in love. Y'all know what that song is, huh? I know y'all know what that song is. Well, all right, y'all. I just want to get something off my chest. Not put it on, but get it off my chest. And it goes a little something like this. Listen. Lately I've been thinking something's going on, 'cause you got an attitude and you're not in the mood like you used to. Yeah. Girl, I can feel it when I hold you in my arms. Feeling is not the same. Can I be the one to blame? I don't wanna lose your love, yeah. I don't wanna say bye-bye, oh no. True love is so hard to find, and it's right between your lips and mine. And before I, sing it with me, before I let you go away, can I get a kiss goodnight? Oh yeah, before I let you go away, can I get one kiss goodnight? Yeah. Let me just talk to you for a second. See, I know y'all been in situations where you wanted to hold on to something that you didn't need to hold on to. You needed to let it go. Make you want to sing songs like, I think you better let it go. Well, looks like another love TKO. Before I let you go away, can I get a kiss goodnight? Yeah. One more time. Before I let you go away, can I get one kiss goodnight, baby? Listen. Said I don't want to lose your sweet love, so don't say goodbye, say goodnight. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. We can go to the next song, cause I know y'all know this song. Sing some more, you sing.